there's a better way. Hi guys, I'm David, the Director of Guided Surgery Division in Real-Time Dental Lab. Placing implant in the aesthetic zone is tricky, and there's a good way to achieve your goal. The first step is to create your ideal wax-up. So why is it so important for an ideal wax-up? Because an ideal wax-up is our ultimate goal for the implant placement. And that is called restoration-driven implant placement. Nowadays, we can utilize digital tools to help us get there. If you're interested in this topic, welcome join to our next webinar. There, I'll talk about how to create an ideal wax-up in the aesthetic zone and do the implant planning accordingly to achieve restoration-driven implant placement. Click the link to save your spot, and I'll see you in the webinar.
The DOS guided system for you.